How to create a WooCommerce flash sale discount rule. Navigate to the Woo Pricing and Discounts menu in your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Pricing tab. Click the Add New button to create a new pricing rule. Give your rule a name, for example, Flash Sale. Set the mode to Simple. Select Apply Mode based on requirements. Select the discount type, for example, percentage discount. Enter the discount amount. Click on Plus or New Group to add conditions. Select Products in List and search for the products you want to include in the sale. Click Plus or New Group again to add a date condition. Choose the date condition and set the start and end dates for your sale. Click Save to apply the rule. Done! Your WooCommerce flash sale discount is now live and fully functional. How to add a flash sale product badge. Navigate to the Product Badges menu. Click Add New to create a new badge. Enter a name for your badge. Go to the CSS Labels tab. Choose a label style from the available options. Adjust the width size for both the archive and product pages. Enter the label text. Customize the font weight for both archive and product pages. Select a label color to match your brand or sale style. Go to the Schedule tab. Click Add Schedule. Select Date. Define the From Date and To Date. Open the Products and Conditions tab. Select Discount Rules. Search and select the flash sale discount rule that is created in the previous step. Click Save. Your flash sale badge is now active and will display on all eligible products during the sale period. How to add a WooCommerce flash sale countdown timer on product page. Navigate to the Product Badges menu. Go to the Embeds tab. Click Add New to create a new embed element. Enter a name for your embed. Select the countdown timer as the embed type. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Choose a template design that fits your store's look and feel. Navigate to the Countdown Timer tab. Set the timer type to till end date. Define the end date and time for your flash sale. Go to the Targeting tab. Select Discount Rules. Search and select the flash sale discount rule that is created in the previous step. Save your changes. Go to the Settings tab. Then open the Embeds sub-tab. Set the embed position on the product page, for example, after product price. Click Save. Done! Your countdown timer is now live and will display on product pages, creating urgency for your flash sale. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Go to the Plugins section. Ensure WooCommerce is installed and activated. Click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Asana plugins or discount rules and dynamic pricing for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to the Woo Pricing and Discounts. Navigate to the Pro version tab. From here, you can purchase the Pro version of the plugin if needed. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.